My Polaroid printer failed while making this video, so I decided to use the integrated laser engraver. You can download the project and the template on Makerables. This project is for 2x3 sync Polaroid paper, starting out in my favorite CAD software, CorelCAD 2019. My favorite fallback for perfect fillet edges, and the fast cleave-based commands. Now that we're done, let's move to Blender. Quick symmetrical designs in Blender and it's done. And a quick Makera Cam preview to make sure everything's alright, and we are done. This project and a template to build your own will be available on Makerables.